How to log in into Pinterest. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser and search for Pinterest. After you've searched for Pinterest, you can head over to its website, pinterest.com. Head over there. Now right here on the right hand side, you'll see a section that says welcome to Pinterest, and there you can type in your email and then your password to log in. All you have to do is enter your email and then your password and then tap on login. You can also continue with your Facebook account or you can also continue with your Google account. So it's basically the same thing. I'll just continue with my Google account. You can just type in your email here and then your password here to log in. And I'll just choose my account. And with that, I should be logged in. As you can see, I should have been logged in, but since that account does not have account yet, they are prompting me to create an account. But that's basically how you log in into Pinterest. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.